Sometimes we have our entire data in a single row or a column, and we need to convert it into a table. This can be tedious if you were to do this manually. However, there are new Excel functions that have made it very easy. These functions are called wrap rows and wrap calls. In this video, we will look at wrap calls. Let's take a look. Here is some data that is currently in the cells A2 to AH2. We need to display it in the empty table below. So let's write the formula. Wrap calls. The first parameter is called vector. Here we will provide the range A2 to AH2. We will select data from A2 and not D2 as our table is from Monday to Sunday. If we start from D2, then we'll be displaying Thursday's value under Monday, which will be incorrect. The next parameter is wrap count. This means after how many values should the data be displayed in the next column. Since a week has 7 days, we will write 7 here. Close the bracket and we have this data in the table. The first few values in the table match the first few values in our raw data. And if you view the last few entries in our original data, they match with the values in the last few columns. However, for the last Sunday, a hash NA is displayed. In our original data, we don't have a value for this cell. Let's see how to remove that. To remove the hash NA in the end, we go back to the formula. There is an optional parameter called pad width. This means what should Excel display in case the range is over. We will provide a pair of double quotes to display a blank value. Now look at that, we have a blank value under the last Sunday. Now let's address the leading zeros. We can use an if statement to remove these zeros. The first thing that we'll do is we'll copy the formula without the equal to sign. Copy, Ctrl+C or Command+C, whatever you prefer. After the equal to sign, let's write an if. We want to check if the result of this formula is a 0, then display nothing or blank. So we'll write equal to 0, then display blank using a pair of double quotes. Else display the result. For that, we'll paste the formula that we had copied moments ago and close the if statement. There it is. We have now removed the leading zeros. So this is how we can convert a single row into a range of data. If you found this useful, then I would request you to kindly subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your help will go a long way in supporting us. Thanks for watching.